Today is Saturday, and Jewel and I were sitting by the window just looking at the birds. And here comes a set of doves. They're having a blast. I know these doves, they usually come every day. Most of the time it's 3 of them. But for some reason, I've never seen them go up there and eat the way they're eating. And it looks like it's 4 of them today. And it could be more than 4 because I see them moving around, taking over the bird feeder, and just enjoying themselves. This is so nice. And my little Jewel, she's getting so excited. She doesn't know what to do with herself to see these big birds just eating, just enjoying themselves. This is so therapeutic. I love sitting here by the window and looking at these birds with my little girl. At first, I thought it was weird to have a bird feeder in the front of the house. But I bought this bird feeder 2 Christmases ago for Jewel because I wanted her to be able to watch the birds when she sits by the window. And I think I'm a big fan of it because I spend a lot of time by this window, writing, reading, watching the birds, playing with Jewel. It's so nice to be able to have this bird feeder in the front here. I see people stop many times. Oh, look at the blue jay. There's a nice blue jay there. That's such a beautiful bird. The robin comes. The cardinal comes. Doves. And those little birds, I forgot their names, but they come. Even Jewel's grandma, look at her. She's driving a car, 92 years old. And there is my little Jewel watching her birds. Yes, blinking at me when I mention her name.